Hello there.
What's going on, guys? Today we're making another stop in Georgia, this time at Fun Spot Atlanta, just south of the city of Atlanta, to a place that was once a family entertainment center with go-kart tracks and a few rides until 2 years ago when the world famous Arie Force One coaster opened up, which put this place on the map for me and a lot of other coaster enthusiasts. It's been a long time since getting on this ride, which has really lived up to the hype, and we're really excited to check it out again. Here we have Hurricane, not to be confused with Hoosier Hurricane at Indiana Beach, but this Hurricane is an E&F miler portable coaster, I believe. And if you know anything about it, it has quite a reputation for being rough and janky, but you can see there are some good moments on here where you get some really insane airtime getting ejected out of your seat, and when it comes back around this curve you feel like you're going through a car crash almost. It's quite an insane ride. Fun Spot's new ride for this year was this flat ride called Hook and Slice.
You can all
golf themed, but it appears that this ride is going to be down all day, so it seems they're having a rough start to it, just like some other new attractions at Six Flags, so that's unfortunate. This is where the fun begins.
The fun begins.
Before the addition of Arie Force One, Fun Spot was just a go-kart track basically, with some flat rides, carnival rides, a monster truck. They also have in this Wild West themed building an arcade with arcade games and prizes, things of that nature. So before this, it was really just a basic family entertainment center. And of course we've got some Jurassic Park dinosaurs on this Wild West themed arcade. Looks like we've got the Super Happy Fun Room over here. We have arrived.
We got him.
Before Arie Force One, apparently Fun Spot had a mini golf course that took up this area. And of course, there's still some of the remnants of that here. But they've added some theming around the Arie Force One photo booth. And as you can hear, they're playing some special theme music, which is a nice touch for a park like this. Well, just got off my 9th ride on Arie Force One. A personal record for the most times I've ever ridden a coaster in a day. That record has stood for over 15 years, and it's beating the Voyage that I rode 7 times when I was like 12. So, thanks Arie Force One for helping me accomplish this. That's gonna do it for our day here in Fun Spot for this Georgia trip. Had a good time at all the parks here, Lake Winnie, Six Flags, and of course Fun Spot. And our next trip is coming up very soon. It'll be somewhere in this universe, and this might be epic. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next voyage. We stopped at another Buc-ee's, this one in Calhoun, Georgia. It's a gas station, but it's much more than that really. It's like a Walmart inside of here. So if you've never stopped at one before, you've got to check it out.
You can buy that.